Disappointment is not the end of your story. It's a painful but necessary chapter that builds unbreakable strength. Right now, the weight feels heavy, the dreams seem distant, and the what-ifs echo loudly in your mind. But remember this. Every great success was once fueled by someone who refused to let failure define them. You have already survived 100% of your toughest days. That resilience lives inside you still. The path forward isn't about erasing the pain. It's about carrying it with grace and turning it into wisdom. Your disappointment proves you care deeply, and that passion is your greatest asset. Let it ignite a fiercer determination. Take one small step today, even if it's just getting out of bed with purpose or writing down one new goal. Progress doesn't demand perfection. It demands persistence. You are not broken, you are becoming. The universe doesn't waste pain, it refines us into versions of ourselves we never imagined. Hold on. Brighter days are coming. Not because the world owes you, but because you owe yourself the chance to rise again. You've got this. Believe in the fighter within. Your comeback will be legendary.